If your coffee fails to extract properly, there are two possible causes. 1. The coffee grounds are too fine and the ground setting is too low. Optimal grinder settings. 15. The recommended settings for ideal pressure and the best coffee flavor. Lower settings produce overly fine grounds, while settings 15 and above yield medium coarse grounds that are just right. 2. You tamp the grounds too firmly and use too much coffee grounds. Tamping the grounds too firmly can also cause failure to extract any coffee or result in a low flow rate. Medium coarse grounds from settings 15 and above will ensure smooth coffee extraction. Hope this helps enhance your coffee extraction experience.